everyone, it's Miss Graham here with your writing task for the week. Hopefully you've completed the reading activity first, because our writing tasks this week are based on our reading activity or our book that we were looking at. And for our writing activity we've got 3 tasks. You don't have to complete them all. You can complete them all, I'd love it if you did. But you can pick the one that most suits you. So our writing activities for this week are to retell the story of Supertato Veggies Assemble in your own words. So making sure that you create your own sentences and use your own word knowledge and vocabulary choices to retell that story. Number 2 is to write a help message from one of the fruits or vegetables so that we can get a message of help, because the Evil Pea has put out this awful plan again. For that, I would want a few sentences, not just the one, so make sure that you're putting lots of effort in and giving me some really good writing. We're going to look at what good writing looks like in a moment. And then for number 3, that activity is to write an apology letter from the Evil Pea to all of the foods that it may have upset during that story. So, things that I will be looking for in your writing, things that will make your writing amazing, and you guys already know this. So how will I know if my writing is amazing? The things that I'm going to look for. I wonder if already at home you're sat there with your grown-ups going, she's going to be looking for capital letters. And if I need capital letters, what else do I need? Can you tell your grown-ups? I also need full stops. Capital letters we use for the beginning of a sentence, the names of people and the names of places. And then full stops we use to show a stop to our sentence, so that sentence is finished, ready to start another one. They work as a partner. The next thing I will be looking for in between your words are finger spaces. I'm working really hard on this at home with Max, and he's just getting there. So just use your little finger, put it in between the words that you write, or use a pencil just to show a gap in your writing. Up next, I'm going to be looking at your spellings. Okay? Now, spellings are really, really tricky at times, but there are 2 different types of spellings that I'm going to look at. So I'm going to look at your tricky words. If you're not sure how to spell one of the tricky words, then you can find the tricky word songs on YouTube to help you out. The other thing I'm going to be looking for your spellings is that you are using your knowledge of phonics. Okay? So if you're using your knowledge of phonics, I will see the different sounds. Even if it's not correct, I will be able to look at it and go, they've tried really hard to use that sound there to make that word look correct. Now, if you need help with different sounds, if you look at the bottom of the homework page, we have a spelling document attached. And you will be able to look at the different phases of spelling. So children should know which phase they're on, but if not, you can send me an email and I will let you know which phase they're on. So that will help with that. So capital letters, full stops, finger spaces, spellings. I would like to be seeing some conjunctions. Now, we've done some work on conjunctions. I've seen some of your work actually that was emailed to me, and it was pretty fantastic. So well done you, big thumbs up. So I'm going to look for some of those words like, and, but, so, because, or, if, when. Okay? I would also like to see some noun phrases, because I know that we have had work previously set about noun phrases. So that we're adding description in our writing so that it helps the person reading it to make a picture in their head. So that they can build the story along with your writing. Okay? So those are the things that I am going to be looking for when you send me your work that will make your writing amazing. Okay? There is one more thing actually that I'm thinking of that's quite important. And this will be the one thing that I'm hoping that some of you are practicing at home. And that is your letter formation. Okay, so making sure that that handwriting and that letter formation is beautiful, or as best as it can be. Okay, remember your teachers know each of you individually, and they know when you've tried really hard to form your letters. Okay, so whatever you achieve, we'll be proud of you for that. So yes, these are the things that are going to make my writing amazing. Capital letters, full stops, finger spaces, spellings, looking at spellings of those tricky words and using your phonics. Having your conjunctions in there, your noun phrases to add description, and then looking at your letter formation. So all you have to do now is to pick your task, or tasks if you choose to do more than one, and have a go. Please do email me your work. I really want to see it. I hope to see you all soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.